Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí dábọ̀ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babiwinje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070 3742 2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090 2747. In today's video, I want to share with you how to use these 4 materials in front of me. We have sugar. You need 41 pieces of this sugar. We have fertility leaf. You need 41 pieces of this leaf. We have a jatropha leaf. We need 41 pieces of this leaf, and we need a cooking salt or sea salt. So with all these assignments, with all these materials, believe me, if you follow my instruction, by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. If you always complain about bad luck, the bad luck that cause your destiny partner to locate you, the black magic that cause bad dreams, the black magic that cause monitoring spirits, whatever thing that is stopping you, please get 41 pieces of this sugar, 41 pieces of fertility leaves, and 41 pieces of jatropha leaf, and 1 spoon of sea salt or table salt. So these 2 leaves, you are going to put it in a bucket of water. Add enough of water to it. You can bait it once, or you can bait it 7 days. If you want to bait it 7 days, there's a way you can do it. If you want to bait it for once, there's a way you can use it. So this leaf, these 41 leaves of a jatropha leaf and fertility leaves, you put it in the water, bucket of water. You squeeze it very well. You add enough of water to it. You grind this sugar. You need 41 pieces of this sugar. You blend it very well. Add it to it, and add 1 spoon of table salt. Add it to it. Mix it together. So if you want to use it for 7 days, you can add like 2.5 liters of water to it. So this water, you add it to your bathing water every morning and use it to bathe. But if you want to use it once, so you get enough of water from this leaf, this mixture, in a big bucket of water. Then you now keep this bucket of water outside in the morning. So in the night, before you sleep, you take it to your bedroom, use it to bathe every part of your body without using soap or sponge. Are you with me? By the grace of Almighty God, when you follow this simple instruction, the black magic that they place on you that cause monitoring spirits, the black magic that they place on you that cause your destiny partner to locate you, when you do this simple assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow my instruction. So those are the materials you need: salt, jatropha leaf, fertility leaf, and sugar. So you don't need to add any other thing to it. Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Bí a ṣe ń lo ewé làpálàpá funfun àti ewé àkókò, ewé làpálàpá funfun 41, ewé àkókò 41, ṣúgà oníkóró 41 àti iyọ̀ sebẹ̀ síbí kan. Ọ̀nà méjì la máa ń gbà lò kíní. Àkọ́kọ́ ọ̀nà ni pé tí a bá fẹ́ lò fún ọjọ́ méje, ó ní bá ṣe máa ṣe. Tá bá fẹ́ lò lọ́jọ́ kan, ó ní bá ṣe máa ṣe. Tó bá jẹ́ pé lọ́jọ́ méje ni, ewé yìí àti ewé méjèèjì la kó sínú odó tàbí ká kó sínú ike ká gbó. Ká wá lọ ṣúgà 41 pieces ká dà sí, ká buyọ̀ síbí kan sí. Ká má jẹ́ kó omi yẹn pọ̀, kó má ju 2.5 litre lọ. Bí 2.5 litre báyìí, ká má jẹ́ kó jù lọ. So lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn, tá bá ti fẹ́ wẹ̀ láàárọ̀, ká máa tọ́ omi inú ike yẹn sínú omi ìwẹ̀ wa, ká máa fi wẹ̀ láàárọ̀ fọjọ́ méje. Àwọn tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀kan la fẹ́ lò, á gbogbo kíní sínú ike tó bá tóbi ni. Àti ṣúgà àti iyọ̀ á ṣe sínú ike tó bá tóbi. Á wá gbé omi yẹn, omi tá fi gbó yẹn tá rọ sínú ike tó tóbi yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé síta láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù. Tó bá di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ tó bá di alẹ́ ká tó sùn, á lọ gbé àgbé wọlé. Á wá fi san alẹ́ kan péré lálẹ́ ká tó sùn. Á bá nu Ọlọ́run pàdé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi náà lọmọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá.